So today we're looking at the clock slash anti-gravity water feature lamp humidifier, and I can't tell you how crap this thing is. It's crap. It's crap, first of all, because of how cheaply made it is, and the wire. See, it just turns itself off. I did have to connect it to a power bank because the wire is so short. But what I really wanted was just this anti-gravity thing. I wanted to see it in action, see these droplets going upwards, because it is fascinating. It's obviously a copy of a far better version of the product. But there's no such thing as anti-gravity. If I put my finger underneath it, it just can't, look, the waters can't be jumping up from the bottom like that, in which case it's definitely coming from the top. In fact, the illusion's almost more pronounced like this, but if I put this in slow motion, you'll see exactly what's going on. So at 240 frames per second, the illusion completely breaks. We see the water falling down, and we see the flashing of the lights above. Now that's the key. If we pause it when the lights are on, choose a droplet, and then track that down in the dark period, now the light is back on, our brain wouldn't have been able to track that down. Instead, we'd still see the one above as the one below. It's a bit like watching TV. Many photographs in fast succession confuses our brain into thinking it's just moving. Interestingly, I think that if the flashing had been at the same rate as the drops of water, they would have looked stationary, but I imagine that's actually quite hard to get exact, so it's probably easier for them to make sure the flashing is slightly faster or slower. I can't really tell right now, and that will give the impression that it floats upwards. But it's really cool, but get a good version of the product. Don't get this crap.